Okay, and we have arrived at Wat Chom Thong. Me and here's Tommy. We travelled by Grab, much more comfortable, cop and cup, and first dog day was by. The animals in temples all so far are well behaved. So it's now Sib soon ha 10:05, so we're going to go and sign in for Yesib Ed Days. Very much looking forward to this. It looks beautiful. Let's show you. First glimpses. First glimpse. And this is so beautiful that I have to show you what I can see by night. I've been told to come back tomorrow morning at Gaud AM. Monk, Wat Phra gave us Song Sam C, Nams. Tommy is happy with food and lamb. Yes, he would be. And a tree and air. Buddha, light. What more could one want? Nothing. Absolutely nothing. Look at how beautiful this is. I have to show you, this is amazing. Wat Chom Thong. Comes with a tiger. And let's continue on our way to see the lights by night. We're not yet in Sikau. It's like a full moon, or nearly full moon. This is amazing. Strong, this is true. Cop and cat, choppy rat. Spoke to him on the phone. Core taut cap I'm not speaking Thai yet. I shall learn Thai. Thailand, I love you. Cotton Kirk.